everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how you can get the Google Chat application on your iPhone. So first thing you have to do is just go swipe your screen into the left side so that you will access your app library, and then in this app library tap into this app library search button, and then you just need to type in App Store, and right after you found it just tap it and visit the App Store. For the next thing you have to do is just go take a look on this bottom feature that could be several sections, and one of the sections could be the search. Tap in the search, and in the search section here you just need to type Google Chat, and now you just need to tap it and wait until every application option is just pop up, and make sure that you are choosing the application with this icon, and then you just need to tap download, and then you just need to wait until the install process is going perfectly on your phone, and you're done. So that's the way how you can get Google Chat on your iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is helping you, and don't forget to turn on the notification section for upcoming video. Thank you for watching, and let's meet again into other tutorial.